twins showed back up this evening, getting them some groceries out there. They're looking good. They're growing up good. There's Mama over there. She's looking good and healthy too. Taking care of two babies. She's still in good health. Yeah, if y'all liking this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, notification bell so you know when I post another video. I'll try and keep bringing these little ones along so we can watch them grow together. They're starting to wonder a little bit about where Mama went. I think they'll be heading that way just a second now. Catch them back up, brother. Yeah, get on down there where I can see Mama. And the other one now, he's headed that way. I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds like thunder right there. We're probably fixing to get some rain too. All right, like I say, y'all hit that like button, subscribe, leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you.